Hello, welcome to Liana's Little World. Today we are doing a doll unboxing. I have got myself the You Create Barbie Basics doll number 3 with the curvy body. I have chosen her because her items will fit my current mini-me, who is also a curvy Barbie. She's looking very good. You can see the doll through the plastic window on the box with some really sweet accessories. The little glittery trousers and these loafers that I love. And then over this side we can see what to expect in the box. And here on the back we've just got the doll styled a few different ways. Very nice packaging, definitely catered for adult doll collectors and not as catered to children. So inside we have got the doll and very well packed in, so be careful getting her out. We've also got this stand, or at least part of the stand. And then there's also these 3 bags over here. There's 3 for us to unpack. In the back, we've just got a leaflet, probably the certificate as well. Looks like that's what it is. So I think it's time to get into the accessories. In the bags, we've got a bag that has the heads. And the other 2 bags, we have the accessories, I'm assuming. Oh, that one maybe is soft. It feels more like clothes, actually. So here we've got the clothes and a bunch of accessories piled into one bag, along with the heads. So let's take a closer look at them. This is one of the heads. She's got very glittery gold eyeliner eyeshadow going on, beautiful lips and very, very soft hair, which is quite curled due to the packaging and the way she was in the bag. She looks really good. Then we've got the other head, which I didn't think I would like as much, but now that I've seen it in person, I actually really like it. She's got a teeth gap and she also has some glittery gold eye makeup going on, and her hair is like a beautiful auburn gingery colour. I really like it. It actually looks a lot nicer in person than it does on the camera. And then we've got some clothing. So we've got this cute skirt, nice like leather kind of material, and the back is elasticated, which I like to see. It gives it some more realism. Then we've got what appears to be like a bodysuit, maybe swimsuit situation going on here, but it has a very nice pattern on it. And we've got some earrings. And quite a collection of hair clips came with this, which is interesting. I don't have any hair clips for my dolls actually, so they are a nice little addition to her wardrobe. And a nice little simple one there. I've got a hairband, which I think is very cute. It's got sculpted details on it, so it actually looks quite realistic. One of my least favourite items were these sunglasses. I felt if the lens was like more of like a see-through plastic, would look a lot better. I'm not a fan of whatever's going on with those lenses. And of course these cute shoes, which I really like. They're very high fashion looking with their interesting little heel. Can't wait to try styling this. And of course, this is the items that came in all those bags. Let's look at the doll. So here's the doll we saw in the window of the packaging. She has a beautiful face and is one of the reasons that I bought this doll. Her hair is also very lovely, but it seems to have like a gel texture in it that I'm gonna have to try and wash out of it later because I really don't like that. And there's a craziness going on in the back, so I think a good little wash day will get that sorted. She is wearing a beautiful pink top, which I really like, and I was wondering if it's attached to the sleeves, and it is. It might be a fun thing to try and recreate. And then the back of her trousers are also elasticated, which I think is really Then we'll go down to the shoes. There we go, we'll go down to the shoes, which are like these high-rise loafers, which I really like. I think they're going to go so nice with some of the other things in my doll's wardrobe. And here's a proper look at her layered necklace. So that is the doll and the accessories unboxed. Can't wait to add it all to the rest of my collection. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye!